It's time to make the right choice. Switch to CAT 216B3 skid steer loaders. One machine, many applications. Compact, powerful, versatile. CAT 216B3 delivers great performance no matter your application. It can perform a variety of tasks like landscaping, digging, dozing, finish grading and backfilling material, loading, material handling in any job site. Get more work done. CAT 216B3 has a payload of 635 kgs. This is one of the highest in its class. With additional counterweight, it can go up to 680 kilograms. 216B3 has low-effort pilot-operated joystick controls as standard instead of mechanical levers. All the operations can be handled using just two ergonomically placed levers, which enables the operator to work long hours without feeling tired. Engine RPM can be adjusted both using a hand lever and an accelerator like foot throttle. This allows the operator to vary the engine speed based on load conditions, which vastly improves the fuel efficiency. It has a unique split cooling package, which has both radiator and hydraulic cooling cores placed side by side. All these ensures efficient cooling with even air distribution and reduces overheating. It has a patented tilt-up design, which is easy to clean and maintain. This reduces clogging or blocking of cores, further improving cooling efficiency. The anti-stall hydraulics can sense the load, reduce the swash plate angle, besides maintaining peak rim pull and optimizing flow where needed. This ensures the engine does not get stalled when the load is high and that hydraulic power requirement does not exceed the engine power. Fitted with PL243 as standard, it allows you to gain access to vital information such as location, hours, machine tracking, and geofencing. Rear door can open at 90 degrees, offering a wide and free access to the engine and cooling package section. Entire operator canopy or cabin can be lifted backwards. This provides easy access to internal components like hydraulic tank, pump stack, control valves, lines, and motors. The grease points are placed outward, making it easy to grease. All the regular checkpoints can be easily accessed from ground level. Ergonomic operator station with easy-to-operate pilot control levers. Part throttle operation for improved fuel efficiency. High-efficiency beltless direct drive powertrain. Anti-stall load sensing efficient hydraulic system. Broad range of performance-matched work tools. Low owning and operating costs. These are what makes 216B3 the best choice for your requirement. CAT 216B3. One machine, many applications.